What if you could restore your body's natural sensitivity and inner vitality with just 60 seconds of gentle massage using nothing but your own hands? I'm talking about feeling that soft wave of warmth and response you haven't experienced in years, without hormones, without treatments, and without uncomfortable doctor visits. Just your body remembering how to work the way it's meant to. Welcome. I kindly ask you to stay with me for the next few minutes, because in this video, I'm going to reveal one specific spot on your body that most women don't even know exists, and show you exactly how to massage it to bring back that deep feminine sensitivity you thought was lost. What you'll be learning today is a gift you'll carry with you for the rest of your senior years. I'm Dr. Lia Parker, a gynecologist and intimate health psychologist with over 30 years of experience helping women restore sensitivity, confidence, and pleasure. Today I want you to imagine waking up tomorrow with a natural warmth and responsiveness you thought had faded forever. No hormones, no costly treatments, no uncomfortable appointments, just one gentle massage technique that works in harmony with your body's natural rhythm. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where this powerful spot is, how to touch it correctly, and how often to practice it to begin feeling real, lasting improvements in your sensitivity and intimate vitality. And if you really want to make a change, you will love my 30-day challenge I will reveal in the end. But first, you need to understand why this truly works. Because once you know the science behind it, you'll realize you're not just touching skin, you're awakening one of the most sensitive circulation pathways in a woman's body, and giving yourself the natural flow and vitality your body has been quietly craving. Now let's think of your body as a beautifully designed system. For your intimate response to feel natural and alive, 3 parts must communicate perfectly. Your brain sends signals of desire, your blood must flow freely and deeply, and your pelvic muscles need to respond with strength and rhythm. But as we move through menopause and beyond, these pathways begin to slow. The messages between your brain and body lose clarity, like soft static on an old phone line. Your blood vessels lose a bit of their flexibility, tightening instead of expanding, and the pelvic muscles, the very ones that help create sensation and pleasure, start to weaken and respond more slowly. This is why natural sensitivity often begins to fade after 50 or 60. It's not that your body is broken or damaged, it simply needs a gentle reminder of how to respond again, and here's where it becomes truly fascinating. What I'm about to share comes from centuries of traditional healing wisdom, now supported by modern science. When you stimulate certain pressure points in the pelvic region, you send direct awakening signals through your nervous system, almost like jump-starting a sleeping circuit. You're bypassing the slower pathways of age and reigniting your body's natural flow of energy and arousal. These signals travel instantly to your spinal center, encouraging your blood vessels to open, your muscles to relax, and your intimate tissues to receive more nourishment. But it doesn't stop there. This specific spot also strengthens the deep pelvic muscles that support your sensitivity, tone, and response. So you're not just reawakening your desire, you're helping your body remember how to stay responsive, strong, and beautifully alive. The magic spot lies within your perineal region, the tender area between your vaginal opening and your back passage. Let this information sink in for a moment and replay this part if you do not understand it fully yet. Now let's talk about the spot itself, and I'll explain exactly where it is in simple, clear terms. The powerful point I am talking about is called your perineum, the soft area of skin between your vaginal opening and your back passage. Some women call it the intimate bridge, others simply the space in between, but medically it's your perineum. Now listen closely so I can explain why this spot is so remarkable for restoring female sensitivity and circulation. Just beneath this delicate area lies a rich network of nerves, blood vessels, and deep pelvic muscles that directly influence arousal, lubrication, and pleasure. When you gently massage this spot using the right technique, you're not going inside your body, you're working from the outside, safely and comfortably. What happens beneath the surface is beautiful. You're improving blood flow to your entire pelvic region, awakening nerve endings that may have grown quiet over time, and inviting your body to respond again. This area acts like a hidden control center where your body's natural signals of warmth, desire, and sensitivity meet, and when you stimulate it gently and with intention, you can begin to restore the natural responses you thought were gone for good. Now, how do you find it? Do not worry. Locating your perineum is simple and completely natural. Just sit down comfortably in a chair, or lie on your back with your knees bent, whichever position helps you feel relaxed and at ease. Take your index and middle fingers and gently place them on that soft area between your vaginal opening and your back passage. Press lightly, and you'll feel a subtle firmness beneath the surface, almost like a small cushion of tissue. That's your perineum. Right beneath this area lies a network of nerves and blood vessels that influence sensitivity and pleasure. You'll know you've found the right spot because it might feel slightly tender or responsive to the touch. Don't worry, that tenderness is actually a good sign. It means this area is ready to awaken and that circulation is beginning to return. Do not stop here. At first it might feel unfamiliar or even a little strange. Most women have never been taught to touch or even acknowledge this part of their body, but as you begin to reconnect with it, that initial awkwardness melts away, replaced by a growing sense of warmth, curiosity, and comfort in your own skin. Now make sure you understand this part of the video and play back if you need to. It's time to dive in on how to perform this gentle 1-minute massage that helps bring this area back to life. This practice is beautifully simple, but it's important to do it with care to get the most benefit and avoid any discomfort. I always say that the first step is getting comfortable. Like I just explained, sit in a cozy chair or lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the bed. Let your shoulders soften and your breath slow. You want to feel relaxed, not rushed. And privacy matters here, so choose a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. The next step is locating the spot. Maybe you have already found it. If not, use your index and middle fingers together. Gently find your perineum, the soft area between your vaginal opening and your back passage. Press lightly until you feel that subtle cushion beneath the skin. That's your spot. Now let's apply gentle pressure. This part is key for awakening circulation. The pressure should be steady and firm, but never painful. Think of it as pressing a soft button that needs just enough energy to respond, not force. Begin with light pressure and slowly deepen it as the tissue warms and relaxes beneath your touch. Next is adding some motion, circular motion specifically. Make gentle clockwise circles for 30 seconds, feeling warmth begin to spread through your pelvic area. Then switch to counterclockwise circles for another 30 seconds, keeping the same calm, steady rhythm. And now the final and maybe the most important step. As you massage, take long, slow breaths. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 2, and exhale softly through your mouth for 6. Feel your body melt a little more with each exhale. This deep breathing helps your pelvic muscles release tension and allows blood flow to increase more freely. That's the complete technique. 60 seconds in total, 30 seconds clockwise, 30 counterclockwise, with gentle, steady pressure and calm, full breathing. Simple, restorative, and remarkably powerful. But stay with me, because there is more you need to know to get the results you are craving for. Consistency is absolutely essential, so let me share the exact timing that works best. I recommend practicing this gentle massage twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. The morning session, ideally while you're still in bed and your body is naturally relaxed, helps awaken your pelvic region and bring healthy blood flow into your tissues for the day ahead. The evening session allows your body to release any tension or stagnation that builds up during the day, promoting calm, balanced circulation overnight. You can also do this massage about 15 to 20 minutes before intimacy. The immediate boost in blood flow often helps the body respond more easily, allowing sensations to feel deeper, fuller, and more natural. The key is to make it a small, sacred habit like brushing your teeth. One session won't transform everything overnight, but gentle consistency over 2 to 4 weeks can bring remarkable, noticeable improvements. Now hear me out. I want to be completely honest with you about what to expect, because understanding your body's timeline makes all the difference. Within the first few days, many women describe feeling a gentle warmth spreading through the pelvic area, a subtle tingling, or simply a renewed sense of connection. Within the first week, you may notice that arousal comes more easily, natural lubrication begins to return, and the body feels more responsive to touch. These are beautiful signs that circulation is improving and that your body is waking up again. By weeks 2 to 3, most women I have treated notice clear improvements. Warmth returns faster, natural moisture increases, and sensations that once felt distant begin to reawaken. Touch starts to feel effortless again, as if your body is remembering its natural rhythm. By week 4, many women describe a complete renewal of sensitivity. Arousal flows more easily, pleasure deepens, and confidence quietly blossoms. You begin to trust your body again, to know it can still respond with softness, vitality, and life. But here's something important to understand. Every woman's body responds in its own time. If you've had reduced circulation or sensitivity for many years, your results may take a little longer to appear. If your changes are more recent, you may notice improvements sooner. What truly matters is consistency and patience. Your body is listening, even when the changes begin quietly. This is also described in my 30-day challenge, which I will reveal in a couple of minutes. Now, once the massage starts to feel natural, you can build on it with a few simple practices to deepen your results. First, use a touch of natural oil or lotion on your fingertips to reduce friction and make the massage smoother and more comforting. Pure coconut oil or an unscented natural massage oil works beautifully. Second, combine this practice with gentle pelvic floor exercises, often called Kegels. After your 1-minute massage, do 10 to 15 slow squeezes, contracting the muscles you would use to stop urination midstream. Hold each for 3 seconds, then release fully. This combination strengthens the muscles that support sensitivity and arousal. Also, it is of major importance to stay well hydrated. Circulation depends on healthy blood flow, and hydration keeps everything moving smoothly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water each day. You can try this massage while taking a warm bath or shower. The warmth helps your muscles soften and increases blood flow throughout the pelvic region, making the experience even more soothing and effective. Now, before you begin, and I will share my 30-day challenge, I need to share some important safety notes. I recommend you watch this part 2 times. First, never massage this area if you're experiencing pain, infection, or inflammation. If your perineum feels very sore, swollen, or you notice any open skin, please skip the technique and consult your doctor before continuing. Second, if you've been diagnosed with pelvic floor dysfunction, prolapse, or any gynecological condition that causes pressure or discomfort in the pelvic area, check with your healthcare provider first. In most cases, this practice is gentle and supportive, but it's always best to make sure it's right for your specific situation. And third, don't overdo it. Twice a day for 60 seconds is more than enough. Applying too much pressure or repeating it too often can irritate sensitive tissue, which is the opposite of what we want. And finally, remember that this technique is meant to support your wellness, not replace medical care. If you have ongoing health concerns, such as poor circulation, diabetes, or hormonal imbalances, I suggest you continue to work with your doctor. Think of this massage as a natural complement to your overall healing, not a substitute. Now, for the best results, combine this gentle daily massage with other habits that support circulation and vitality, movement, hydration, and mindful breathing. Together, they form a complete approach to keeping your feminine energy alive, responsive, and beautifully balanced. In a previous video, I shared how a warm drink or gentle movement can awaken your body from the inside. When you combine that inner warmth with this outer massage, you create a natural flow of energy and circulation. Add simple movement to your day, a short walk, light stretching, or a few slow hip circles. Just 20 minutes helps your blood move freely and keeps your tissues alive and responsive. And remember, stress is one of the quietest blockers of sensitivity. Take a few moments each day to breathe deeply, soften your muscles, and let your body know it's safe to relax and feel again. When calm and movement come together, this massage becomes more than a technique. It becomes a gentle reconnection with your own femininity. And now, where you have all been waiting for, I have a 30-day challenge for you. Now, here's exactly what I want you to do. Starting tonight, commit to this gentle 60-second massage twice a day for the next 30 days. That's it, just 2 minutes total. 1 minute in the morning as you wake up, and 1 minute at night before bed. In the first week, just focus on simply finding your spot and getting comfortable with the technique. Don't rush or expect dramatic changes yet. Just build the habit, morning and evening, 60 seconds each time, soft circular motion, steady breath. In week 2, you keep the same rhythm and begin to notice the little shifts. Do you feel warmth returning? A gentle tingling? A deeper sense of connection? These small sensations are signs your circulation is awakening. In the third week, the massage should feel natural, like a quiet ritual you look forward to. Many women begin to feel clearer, more responsive, and more in tune with their body's rhythm. Stay consistent. Even if the progress feels subtle, then in week 4, it's time to reflect. Compare how you feel now to how you felt a month ago. Most women describe this stage as a true reawakening, a sense of softness, energy, and aliveness they haven't felt in years. At this point, this massage becomes more than a practice. It becomes part of your self-care, a way to honor your body each day. And remember, aging does not mean losing your ability to feel or connect. Your body still holds incredible intelligence and sensitivity. It only needs a gentle reminder to respond again. This perineum massage is one of the simplest, most powerful ways to restore blood flow, awaken dormant nerves, and bring life back to your feminine energy. It takes just 60 seconds, no products, no discomfort, no cost, only intention and care. So tonight, before bed, take one quiet minute for yourself. Locate your perineum, breathe deeply, and begin. Then again in the morning, when your body is calm and rested, make it as natural as brushing your hair or washing your face. Your body still remembers how to feel alive. Sometimes it just needs your touch to wake up what's always been there. Now do not close this video yet. If this video has helped you, I'd love you to do 3 simple things in return. First, give the video a like, so more women can find this natural healing practice. Then subscribe and tap the bell to keep learning gentle ways to support your feminine health. And lastly, share your experience below. Have you tried this massage before, or are you starting today? Come back in a month and tell me what changed. Your story might give another woman the courage to begin. I'll see you in the next video.